experience a much more joyful and fulfilling life when you believe in yourself more. In Myrtle Beach, we are going to help you believe in yourself. We're going to level you up in many different ways, in mindset, in philosophy, in skill. We're going to level you up so when you get off the plane or off the highway and you get back home on January 3rd, guess what? You now have a greater belief in yourself, which is going to come through in your daily disciplines. It's going to come through in your action. It's going to come through in your mindset, which is you're going to get a better result. So guys, here's the thing. When you decide to become the person who deserves the big income, decide. The word decide sounds like suicide, homicide, pesticide. It means to kill something, to kill the alternative. So you're deciding, I'm not going to stay the person I'm at. I'm not going to stay the person who is where you're at. And you're going to become the person who dictates a bigger income.